What's up guys, we're back, and in today's video we're gonna install new floor mats for the Honda Pilots. These ones are gonna be amazing. These are all-weather floor mats and they look amazing. So in today's video we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how good they are. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. So these two are for the front. The quality feels pretty good, feels thick. The material, you can see it there. It's nice, that's cool. So in order to install this one, you have to remove the OEM mats, because you have to use these clips to install them. On the rear doesn't have clip, on this one doesn't have a clip, on the third row nothing. Okay, but these are for the 7 passenger, and I've just found out that mine is the 8 passenger. I don't know if this one is gonna fit, but those two and this one is gonna fit pretty good. This is the only one I'm not sure, because I'm checking the interior of the vehicle and this one is wider. So the 7 passenger has 2 notches here, and the 8 passenger, it doesn't have this notch, but this notch is wider. It's like this. I'm gonna put an image of the difference between the 7 and the 8 passenger, but these look amazing. So let me remove the old ones so we can install this on the vehicle. So here you can see the difference. These are the new ones. They are amazing, super thick, and they have this like a wall on the side. If you drop water, the water is gonna stay in this one. These are the ones that I was using on my Pilot, but this doesn't cover the whole thing. This one, it goes all the way to the edge, but in order to install this one, you have to remove the OEM. One more thing here on the rear. As you can see, this one doesn't cover this piece in here, so this one, it always gets dirty. But now we're gonna put the new ones and it's gonna look amazing. Look at the fitment. It's amazing. Look at that. It's perfect in here. Perfect too. Look at that. In here is perfect. So the fitment is great, and the clips, they are perfect. Look at that. It's amazing. So let me show you the difference between this one and the other one on the other side. So you can see no gaps, everything over there, no gaps. Let's see the other one. These are the ones I was using, but these are universal. These are universal for any car, but yeah, they have a lot of gaps in here, so that's why I have a lot of dust here, and here it folds like this, so I don't like it in here. So that's why now we have better mats. So let's put this one. I have to remove this one and the OEM mats. Over here, same thing, perfect fitment. You can see over there. It's perfect, no gaps. And here too, and the clip, perfect, it fits perfect. So everything is aligned. Look at this. Look at the here, no gaps. And here too is perfect. That's the brand Nilight. It's amazing. Look at that. Amazing. So now let's go to the second road and let's install the second road mat. Wow, this is amazing because this one is going to protect the mats, the OEM mats, from dirt and any debris because it fits perfect. Let me show you. There. This one doesn't have a hole for the clip in here, but it fits exactly on the clip. Okay, so let me show you on this side. And here too. Yeah. So here too. Yeah. So it's perfect. Now the moment of the truth. This one is the 8-passenger Honda Pilot. Has 2 here, 3 in the middle, and 3 over here. So 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. So the Elite model doesn't have this on the middle. Okay, so let me open this one over here, and let me open the other. Let me open this side. Okay, so this one, this piece is thicker. So the Elite model has 2 of these ones. That's why the mat has 2 notches, but this notch for the 8 model is wider. So let's see if it fits. If not, I will have to get it the other one just for the rear one, but the other mats, those are perfect. So let's put this one. Okay, now let's see if this one closes, because this one, I don't know if it's gonna be on the way. So let's close this one. Yeah, closes fine. Let's close the other one. Okay, now let's see this one. Yeah, it works good. Okay, so let me sit over here and let's see if it bends a lot. Okay, so this still works great. All you have to do is maybe fold it a little bit like that. So every time that this seat moves back, it doesn't hit this one. So if you keep it like this, it's real bad. So just leave it like that, and that's it. Let me show you. See, perfect. Okay guys, those are the floor mats. The brand is Nilight. The quality is amazing. I recommend it. The link for this product is gonna be on the description and the video down below. They fit perfectly. Okay, I was a little bit scared of the third row because this is the 8-passenger Honda Pilot, and these floor mats are for the Elite model, for the 7-passenger that doesn't have a seat in the middle on the second row. Okay, but it fits perfectly. All you have to do is lift a little bit the mat and it fits amazing. Okay, but I'm gonna get the right one in the future, the 8-passenger floor mat for the third row. So that video will be coming up soon. Okay, if you have a question, put in the comments. So everything fits. The link for this product I'm gonna put it on the description on the video. But remember, this is the 7-passenger floor mats. I'm gonna put the link for this one and for the 8-passenger floor mat on the description in the video down below. Okay, but if you have any question about the floor mats or any video that you want me to make, put it in the comments. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Please help us reach 100,000 subscribers. We're gonna go there little by little, but that's our goal. Okay, support the channel by subscribing to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.